What is a Google algorithm? Algorithms are complex systems that Google uses to retrieve data from its search index and instantly deliver the best results for a query. The search engine uses a combination of algorithms and numerous ranking signals to deliver web pages ranked by relevance in its search engine results page, also known as SERPs for short. In its early years, Google only made a handful of updates to its algorithm. Now, Google makes thousands of changes every single year. Most of these updates are so slight that they go completely unnoticed. However, on occasion, the search engine rolls out major algo updates which significantly impact the search engine results page. One of those big updates was Google Panda. Google Panda was initially released on the 23rd of February 2011. The stated purpose of the Google Panda algorithm update was to reward high quality websites and diminish the presence of low quality websites in Google's organic search engine results. According to Google, Panda's initial rollout over the course of several months affected up to 12% of English language search results. Triggers for Panda. The Panda algorithm update addressed a number of problematic things in Google search engine results, including thin content, so weak pages with very little relevant content on them, duplicate content, so copied content that appears on the internet in more than one place, low quality content, so pages that provide little value to human readers because they lack in-depth information, lack of authority/trustworthiness, low quality user generated content, so UGC, high ad to content ratio, so pages made up mostly from paid advertisements rather than original content, website blocked by users, and content mismatching the search query. So pages that promise to deliver relevant answers if clicked in the search results, but then when they do get clicked, they fail to do so. For example, a website might have a page title, coupons for Whole Foods, but then when it's clicked, you land on a page that has no coupons whatsoever. Panda had a massive effect on sites like this. So how do you know if you've been hit by Google Panda? One signal of potential Panda penalization is a sudden drop in your website's organic traffic or search engine rankings correlating with a known date of an algorithm update. As you know, Panda was released on February 23rd, 2011. You can easily log into your Google Analytics account and see if you had any big drastic traffic drops around this time, as shown in the screenshot below. So if you have been hit by Google Panda, I guess you're probably wondering, how can you recover from Panda? So recovering from Panda is pretty straightforward, as we know the main triggers it targeted, which was thin content, duplicate content, low quality content, and so on and so on. So to recover, you simply need to ensure your website does not fall into any of these categories, which could have triggered it to tank in the first place. So make sure your website has no thin content, no duplicate content, no low quality content, and so on and so on. In summary, Google Panda was a massive algo update, and in my opinion, it made the internet a much better place, and I think you would agree too, as no one likes to see thin content or duplicate content on page 1 on Google.